Hi, welcome back to my video, and now I'll be unboxing packet again. Now I have two packet and I will make it into two videos, but first I will open this packet. I buy it by TikTok shop. This is a birthday gift for Yumi because on 26 September, 2 weeks again Yumi's birthday, so I wanna give her this. I buy it by TikTok shop with store name is what the store name? Don't have none. So I wanna open. I buy this is sling bag. I buy with color. What the color? The color is very combi. So this has two combinations color. Let's see. My gosh, so cute, right? This is broken white, and this is like chocolate, but not chocolate too. The name in there is berry. So the color is berry, but this color is so cute. I think so cute, right? And have two type you can put in there, or pasang ini apa ya bahasa Inggrisnya? Wait, you can wear it like this, only with this, only like this, or use a long rope like this with the long rope. I don't know what the spelling this is in English, but I think it's rope. Anjay, 3 menit baru. You can use this to the circles like this. So you can wearing this bag like this. Oh my god, so cute, right? I buy it with price. The price is around 10,000 rupiah. So if you want this, you can buy it in Shopee or Tokopedia. So cute, right? And in the store have many colors like blue, red, chocolate, gray, and many other colors. but I chose this because it's so cute. And yeah, this is real cute. Udah 5 menit. Okay, I think it's enough for this video. See you.